Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So it is currently snowing and I'm going to be doing a home bargains come shop with me today, and I'm so excited to be showing this to you guys because I haven't been to home bargains in so long. So I thought I'd go and have a look around and get some bits that I needed, and I thought I'd film it for you guys while I was there. So let's get straight on with today's video. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more content just like this. So I decided to start off with the bath section, which is one of my favourite parts of home bargains. They always have so many great deals. I love their bath salts, especially the lavender ones. I've been using them so much recently and they're so cheap, and you only have to use the smallest amount and they last so long. They just smell incredible. And then I was looking at all the different like Radoxes and Carexes, because you cannot have a bath without a good Radox bubble bath in. And then I was looking at the bath bombs as well, because I've been really using so many bath bombs lately. And I noticed they did have a new one in, which is the pineapple one. The little letter ones are really cute, but the new pineapple one I thought actually smelled really nice. And this is a new one, but it is a bath fizzer rather than a bath bomb. And then this is something new that I've seen, which is the Ramper Sponge, which is for sensitive skin, which I have extremely sensitive skin, so this would be really good. And then these soaps here, I really like the look of because I love the design and the different colouring together. So I had a quick look at the different shampoos and conditioners because I've really wanted to try a new one lately. I'm now starting to run out of my blonde ones and my purple ones. And these are quite affordable, and there's such a different variety of brands. I was really interested in the Schwarzkopf Silver Shampoo because I know that's for like getting rid of yellow tones in your hair, and that is something I really need right now. And with it being only $2.99, I thought it was so affordable. The John Frieda ones, I'm obsessed with John Frieda. I was really tempted by the Highlight Activating one, and there's such a big variety in different products. These tissues are so handy to just stick in your bag, and the packages look really cute too. I then thought these exfoliating skin wipes were really cool. I've never seen these before, so this is definitely something new they've got in. And the sensitive skin wipes look really good as well. So if you've seen my channel before, you'll know that I'm obsessed with micellar. This is what I use every day to take off my makeup and to just cleanse my face in general. And this is the one that I use. I really do want to try the Nivea one though, because I've never tried that one before. And I'm looking at all the different hair dyes because I'm really wanting to dye my hair. I'm looking for like more pastel shades. And Schwarzkopf is one that I just love as a hair. So Simply is one of my favourite skincare brands, and I was having a look at all the different products they've got in, and I do think I've actually got all of these, but this is honestly the best place to get them from because they're so cheap from here. I don't think I've ever seen these hand creams before, and the packaging is so cute. You can get them in cocoa butter, argan oil and coconut, and they're only 79p each. This is something that I want to try in the future. So this is something that I'm drawn to every single time I come to home bargains. It is the body butter, the strawberry one, the cocoa one. They just look amazing. So I also noticed that they've expanded their beauty section. They have an organic wear section now with a new BB cream, different foundations, different mascaras, which actually look really good, and they're all so affordable at £1.49 each. They also have other brands as well, but that was just one that I saw. So I noticed they extended this section and it actually looks really good. They've also kind of just moved some things around. So they now have a wider range of W7 products, ranging from their mascaras to their lip collections, and then they've got the highlight palettes as well. And I think all the products they had in at the moment just reminded me of like festival times in that kind of season. I noticed they had Dr. Pawpaw as well, which is kind of getting a bit bigger now, and a lot of my friends, like a lot of my YouTube friends, have really started using this. So this is something I'm interested in getting for my next haul. So I've always been really interested to see if the silicone beauty blenders actually work. This is something that I've never tried before. I then saw one of the Jade rollers, and I was actually really surprised to see one of these in home bargains because I know they can actually be quite pricey, but they are getting a lot more popular now, and a lot of people have said how good they are and how much they work. So this is something I thought was really good because it's a more affordable version. They had such a cute variation of face masks for all ages. They had some with different characters on, little unicorns on. They had the face and neck ones, and they also had the big packs of 50, and I think this is so helpful for right now. They also had a big variety of different hand sanitizers, and it's just what people need in these COVID times. So the next thing I found was this brush set, and I think this will be perfect for someone's birthday present. It comes with 5 different brushes, a paddle brush, 3 rounded brushes, and like a flat brush. These just look such good quality, and for $6.99 you really cannot go wrong. I was then looking at all the different bags, and I want some more makeup cases. I have so many makeup bags, but I feel like my collection is just growing and growing, so I feel like my makeup collection bags need to start growing. I have the marble one, but I really want the silver and shiny one. I then checked out all the little gift sets, and I have a lot of different ones in at the moment, but the one that really stood out to me was this body wash one, and it's in the shape of a star, which is really nice packaging, and they have 5 different ones in here. It was only $2.99, so I thought this was really good. And I found this here, which is these trinket trays, and you get them in a set of 3. Got a rose in the middle, and they've got a metallic rose gold surrounding, and I think they are absolutely gorgeous. So this is now the Valentine's section, which is obviously new in, and with Valentine's Day now coming up around the corner, I think they had some really cute bits. I love the household items that are heart-shaped, so they had the little bowls and the little cups, and I just thought it was so cute and so creative. This is the kind of thing that I really want to buy. And they also had such a different variety in things. Like, I love the little slippers and the little sock sets too. I thought the little tinsel wreaths were really cute, and they make really good decorations for this time of year. The pink slippers looked so soft and comfy, and they were definitely a go-to. They then had some like starter cosmetic kits and like some younger kids parts, which I think is great because they've got products for all ages. These ones have initials on, which make it even more personalised, which is really cute. But my favourite thing had to be this kitten backpack here, which was absolutely adorable. I thought this little unicorn bag was so cute. It's like a little snow globe with moving bits inside, which is so cool, and I know I'd have loved this when I was a kid. Kind of a novelty item. And then you can see these here, which are door hangers. These can just make a bit more excitement to your room and just a bit of decoration on your door. I had one of these when I was younger and I loved it. And then the gold unicorn bag is so cute. I just think it looks really stylish, and it'd be so good for someone of that age. And then the onesie looked so fluffy and so comfy. They then have Sylvanian Family, which I was really surprised by this. I know a lot of kids have now got back into Sylvanian Family, and it's always been something that's been very expensive. This is something I wanted so much when I was younger. I had a few, but I never had something like this. I was more into like the Polly Pocket side. So they've got 3 different sets of these houses here at 3 different prices, so it's affordable for different people. It's a bit more of an affordable option. I then saw these bowls, and these are the non-slip bowls for pets, and I love these. They come in a variety of colours, and they're so handy. They've definitely got quite a lot of new pet items and like kind of novelty pet carriers, pet scratchers, all those kind of things. Honestly, if you've got any animals that shed, this is the best thing in the world. This is an extendable pet hair roller. You can also get extra tubes for it as well, and you roll it on the floor and it basically gets up all the pet hair. It is just amazing. And I think they've definitely expanded their like pet toy section because they've got so many new ones. There are a couple here that we do already have, but I've been wanting to treat my dogs to some new toys recently. They're both very different dogs, so like very different products, so I think it's really good that they've got quite a big range of products here. I've seen these buns before, and they're supposed to like taste of like gravy or chicken. This is something that I've wanted to try them out on, but with having 2, I'd be worried that they'd fight over it, so I want to get a couple for them. My Benji has been playing with this bee, and he is obsessed. So this whole section here is brand new. They've got a lot of home items that have all got like initials on them. I think it's cute because you could get a whole set of them. I love that if you buy a placemat, it does come with a matching coaster as well, which is really cute. I love the flasks. I think they've got to be my favourite part of it. Down to the bedding section, and they've got such a big variety of new items in stock. So they've got a lot of the same ones, but in like different variety of colours, which is really good for people that want them but don't want the colour that they're in. And I think mustard is really in right now. They've got quite a lot of different ones in mustard, and I really like the kind of like shaggy effect on the pillow there. It looks really cool. They all just feel really good quality, and like the blankets and the pillows feel so soft. They'd be so comfy to sleep with in bed. They've definitely decreased the size of their bridal and kind of like wedding section as well. I'm personally not really into Peppa Pig, but this kind of thing would be perfect for a present. They've got so many different ones at such a variety of different prices, and these kind of things you don't really get anywhere else at this kind of price because they're usually so much more expensive than this. And then I was looking at these little trinket trays here, which remind me of the rose gold one, but I think these ones look a bit more classier. These are more expensive and you only get one in the pack. They also had these design of stool before. These are storage stools, and they had these designs before, but they've just increased the range in colours, which I'm obsessed with the royal blue one. I think it is gorgeous. I really love the kind of turquoisey dark green stool as well. So guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you've enjoyed it. I love just having a look around home bag and seeing what's in. I'm really sorry about the traffic as well, but thank you so much. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you've enjoyed it. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more content just like this, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!